It's natural to want to be attractive, and there are effective ways to enhance your appeal through your appearance, behavior, and interactions. Confidence is key. Maintain good body language by keeping your shoulders back, arms relaxed, and head held high. Choose a wardrobe that fits well and reflects your personal style, while practicing good hygiene, including dental care and a daily skincare routine to boost your overall attractiveness. A genuine smile and a positive attitude can draw others in, while managing stress helps you appear more relaxed. Engage with others by making eye contact and breaking the touch barrier comfortably. Keep conversations light and humorous, and don't hesitate to offer sincere compliments to foster connections. Ultimately, being genuine and kind are the most attractive traits you can embody.